Hi, I'm Neil. Thanks for joining me again in this video. We're going to be talking about UI and UX. What does this role do within a team? How is it useful to the rest of the team? And what can you do if you want to start to be one? Let's talk about it now. The UI and UX roles play a crucial part in an agile development team. The UI UX team is responsible for creating the look and feel of the software that's being developed. They also ensure that it's easy and intuitive to use. In order to achieve this, the UI and UX role, team member, or a whole team, if you've got a big enough organization, they achieve this by working closely with the development team to ensure that the design of the software is close to the requirement as possible. The requirements, of course, set by the customer. They create wireframes, mock-ups, and prototypes to help illustrate the design concepts. These can also be used to gather feedback from the customers and the stakeholders. A vital part of this process is the UI and UX people going out and talking to real people, gathering user research. There's a second stage to this. When some mock-ups are done, they also talk to the same users to understand what the feedback is, how it can be made better and improved. This usability testing is an important part of the software. It helps ensure that the final design is simple to use and fulfills their requirements. Throughout the design process, the UI and UX work together with the developers to make sure that the goals are the same and that the end requirements of those users and end users are met. The UI and UX role guides and recommends things for developers to carry out, providing additional guidance and direction as needed. They also work with a testing team. This is to ensure that the end software is accessible to all sorts of people with disabilities or visual impairments, as well as it being useful and testing and working, as well as ensuring that it's compatible along a wide range of platforms. Overall, the UI and UX team make sure that you've got not only a beautiful product to look at, that it's functional for the end users and performs as well as it can, and is easy to use. It should be visually appealing and user-friendly, which ultimately leads to an excellent user experience. Career paths into UI and UX can be from a design background, an artist or something like that, or from a business analyst, where you're used to talking to the users and getting those feedback. Of course, as a UI UX, you can go back in the other way. You can become an artist if you want to specialize that way, or become a BA if you like that side of things. Let me know in the comments below where you are with your career. Do you want to become a UI UX? Are you investigating it for a friend? Or is there any other questions you want to ask? Just put them in the comments below. Until next time, have fun.